Hi there, aspiring web developers. Welcome back to another 1-minute tutorial. Today, let's look at the basics of web development with a focus on HTML tags. HTML or Hypertext Markup Language is the backbone of web development, and it uses tags to structure content on the web. Think of them as the building blocks of a web page. Now, every HTML document begins with HTML, and inside it you'll find the head and body. The head contains meta information about the document, while the body holds the actual content. So this brings us to anatomy of HTML tag. So for this particular text, we are using the p tag. This is the go-to tag for structuring your paragraphs. And inside it, we have a content and a closing tag, which is right here. Now here are some common HTML tags. We have the H1 to H6. This goes from largest to smallest. So if you need things like title, you can use the heading tags or the H tags to differentiate heading sizes. Next, we have the paragraph tag. It's just used to structure your paragraphs. And then we have anchor tag, which is normally for the links. If you want to add links to your website, this is the right tag. And also when using the link tag, you need to add an attribute that we shall look at the end of this slide. Then we have image tag. This is used basically when you're adding images to your web page, and also it is accompanied by an attribute which is SRC, standing for source, and it specifies the image file. And then we have the list. This orders lists. OL is ordered list, and LI is the list tag, as well as UL, which is an ordered list. And then the div tag, this is normally used for layouts and grouping elements. It acts like a container that helps in organizing your content. And then we have the span tag, which is inline for division of your content. So there are very many other tags, but these are the most common ones we have. So we mentioned of attributes. Sometimes some tags might need attributes. For example, you can see the anchor tag. href is an attribute that links you to a particular page or another web page. Same applies for the image tag. However, for the image tag, the attribute is src. Now we have self-closing tags. For example, the image tag. These are tags basically that do not have a closing. For the image tag, we just write it as image and it is self-closing. That means it does not require that /img at the end of it. This is a fast overview of HTML tags. So you've just scratched the surface of HTML tags. As you explore further, you will discover countless other tags and attributes that add depth and functionality to your web pages. Keep coding, stay tuned for more web development insights. See you in the next video.